Hey guys, just back working on the Volkswagen Jetta, doing a cabin air filter location removal reference, I guess you could call it, on 2002 Volkswagen Jetta 1.8 liter. If you look here under the hood, simple, right in there, that's it there. It's got these little tabs to get it out. If you look in there, where is it? Right there, those little tabs, one there, one over there. You just pull them back and your filter will pop up. It'll pop up like this and slide out. Just slides in there. Once you get it in position, it's a little tricky, but you can get it into position once you get it in there. Just snap it in place like that, like that. I'm just going to clean mine. Just take an air compressor to it. And it has this. It's like a little sleeve that goes in, that goes over top of the a little tough to get in. But yeah, simple. Goes in like that, yeah. Then there's four Phillips head screws that hold it in place. Simple stuff. Take those screws out, just pull out the plastic like that. Very a little rough. And then again, those tabs, there's one there, one on that side, oops, one over there. Just pull those tabs out and then pull up on the filter like that. On this side, like that. Yeah, just pull it out. Simple stuff. That's a cabin air filter location replacement on a 02 Volkswagen Jetta. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.